back to my channel, The Fit Bong Girl. Thank you so much for tuning in and thank you so much for supporting me through my journey. We are currently 3 weeks out and you just saw my physique update currently. I still look a little bit soft, but maybe we'll see how the next 3 weeks goes. So right now we are heading to the gym. We are gonna get our pre-workout meal in, which is again oats and whey protein, and then we are gonna go to gym and train some hamstring. I will show you guys the exercises that I am going to do, and we are training mainly hamstring today. My workout plan is more based on how I am looking right now and what I need to train more. So let's get going and let's see how the day goes. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I have more content coming in for you guys. Love you all.
I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it, I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest, I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest. Cause I promise you that I'm just getting started, and I promise you that my skills are getting sharper. So I'ma get charted, can't be guarded. Nah, I'm the one to get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up on it, yeah. Bitch, you got me fucked up, I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup, we bout to turn up. Crank this shit up so loud, sounds like we're sold out. In front of a whole crowd, we lose control now. Y'all take this shit too personally, everybody got a different version of me. Everybody gotta be learning from me, everybody wanna be working with me. And I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency to find out what you wanna be. But honestly, we change our minds constantly, so stop and breathe and find out who you wanna be. Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching, don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous, cause I will not.
Hey guys, so I just got back home and had my post-workout meal, and I was just about to go and wash my hair, but then I remembered that many of you asked me on my Instagram DMs about my hair care routine, so I thought I'll show you. So I have a wavy texture in my hair, which I have recently started embracing it because I always liked straight hair, so I have done a lot of damage to my hair. Let me be very frank with you guys, I do not do a lot of hair care or even skin care. I just do what I find on the go and what works for me. So I am not a fashion influencer or I am not a beauty influencer, and I cannot give you the in-depth knowledge of all this skincare or hair care, but I am definitely going to show you what I do for my hair. My hair care routine is pretty simple. It's mostly oiling and then shampoo, conditioner, and then some curly hair stuff like gel and stuff, which I'll show you in a bit. If you find this helpful, you can definitely start with this hair care routine, but make sure that you use the products that actually suit you. I am not any brand specific, and whatever brands you are going to see now, I have bought them with my own money, and this is not a sponsored video. So even if I am giving you a review of any product, it's going to be brutally honest on how it has worked for me and not. So let's get started with that. First, I'll be oiling my hair, and for that I'll use this Khadi. Can you see this? I hope so. Yeah. So I'm using this Khadi Bringraj herbal hair oil. I usually use either coconut oil or this Bringraj hair oil for my hair, and sometimes I would go ahead and use apple cider vinegar. I'll just spray it all over my hair and then wash it off in 20-30 minutes. It just helps you with your dandruff and hair fall, keeps your scalp clean. That's it. Since I do a lot of workouts, so my scalp is mostly sweaty all time, and since I'm doing 3 times a cardio in a day, and then I'm also doing my workout, so and I'm always put my hair in a bun, so literally I do a 3 hours hair care routine just to put my hair in a bun. But it's just I am just comfortable in this way. So whatever you are going to see in this video are this stuff that I am comfortable doing it, what works for me. Try it for yourself and see what works for you. So I'll just oil my hair now. I think I have to change my hoodie before that because I don't want the oil to get sprinkled all over it. I'll just be back. I washed my hair last 4 days back, I think. So this is the condition of my hair after 4 days. I'm going to brush out my hair right now and then apply a lot of hair oil. So one thing that I have noticed is that if you have a wavy or curly hair, so your hair texture would mostly be, you will have dry hair if you have wavy or curly hair. So when you brush out your hair, you are definitely going to lose a little bit of hair. But yeah, but also I want to make a point that after I am done washing my hair and everything, I do not brush my hair every day, because if I brush my hair every day, then I lose all the curls and my hair is all over the place. So this is one thing that I have tried for myself and it works for me. My mom actually has very curly hair. My grandmom from my mom, like my mom's mom, even she has curly hair. So chances are when I grow up to their age, I will also end up having very curly hair. And by curly, I mean that they have really curly hair. My mom usually smoothens or straightens her hair, but even I have done a lot of chemical treatment. That is the reason my hair is so much damaged right now. I actually had very nice hair while growing up when I was a little girl, and my mom used to take care of my hair care and stuff. Then I grew up and I started taking care of my own hair and I spoiled it altogether. So right now I am trying only to chop off my hair, only the split ends and stuff, and trying to grow my hair. No more color, no more hair straightening or rebonding or keratin treatment or any kind of chemical treatment. I'm literally done with it. So I'm just trying to keep my hair as natural as possible. This is how my hair looks once I have completely brushed it out. So I have put on a lot of hair oil, which is this, Khadi Bringraj hair oil. It doesn't smell too much, which is just perfect for me because I don't like hair oil or shampoo or any kind of products which has too much fragrance, because I have migraine problem and it easily triggers my migraine. I'm going to get back to my work now. We are going to stay like this for another 30 to 45 minutes and then we will go and wash off our hair. Can you see my biceps yet? Okay, let's go. Been 45 minutes, actually more than 45 minutes. I just got lost in my pending walk anyway. So I'm going to wash my hair now. I just wanted to show you the product that I'm using. I am usually using this shampoo from Biotique. This is Ocean Kelp Anti-Hair Fall Shampoo for Intense Hair Growth Therapy. I am a huge fan of this brand. I have heard from many people. I have also heard from Mayank also that it doesn't suit him and it doesn't suit many people. I don't know why, but it suits me well. I use a lot of their day cream, sunscreen or suns lotion, whatever you say. I don't know. Serum. Most of my skincare range is also from this brand. I really love this brand. It suits me just perfectly. So I'm using this shampoo and then I'm gonna top it off with this conditioner, which is a conditioner from Biolage Advance. Like I said guys, I am not very brand specific. Whatever brand actually works for me, I buy it. Doesn't matter if it's an Indian brand or a luxury Indian brand or a foreign brand. I don't know. I just use the product that works for me, irrespective of where they are made in. So I'm gonna wash my hair. It's going to take me probably 30 minutes to do so, because I'm gonna double rinse my hair with this shampoo, and then I'm gonna leave this conditioner on to my head for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna twist my hair like this and keep it that way, and then I'm gonna come out of the shower and we're gonna do some curly hair shenanigans, which is gonna take me forever. So let's go. So now that I'm done washing my hair starts the main course. Okay, your hair need to be very wet for this. I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner right now, which is from Fix My Curls. I'm using this for the first time. The other leave-in conditioner that I have and that I have been using is from another brand. Is this one from Arata. I love this leave-in conditioner, but that may be because this is the only leave-in conditioner that I have used so far. So I'm gonna use this one today, and I'm gonna see which one works better for me. I'm not wearing lens and I have removed my specs, so I cannot literally not see anything. So if I am looking here and there, please don't mind me. So I have applied the entire leave-in conditioner into my hair length, and now I'm just gonna scrunch my hair up. I'm not sure if this is going to work for people who have straight or silky hair, but this kind of hair routine will definitely work if you have any type of curly hair. Like I have baby hair, which is also a form of curly hair. It's just that my curls are not as tight. So this is how my hair looks after I have put on the leave-in conditioner and scrunched my hair properly for 10 minutes. Scrunching your hair helps your hair to form the curls actually, but that is only going to happen if you have curly hair. If you are someone with silky or shiny hair, I don't think this how much you crunch your hair, it's not gonna form any kind of curls. You will have to use the curler rods and stuff for that. But if you have naturally curly hair, any form of curly hair, I think you are blessed to have that hair texture. My hair is still soaking wet, and now I'm going to use some hair gel onto it. I'm using this hair gel today. This is Enliven hair gel made in UK. You would usually get this hair gel available on Amazon or any wellness product pharmacy shops, I don't know, around you. I have one more hair gel which I was using for the first couple of weeks, which is the Arata hair gel. This is a flaxseed hair gel, and I love this hair gel as well, but again that would be because this was the only hair gel I have used so far. So unless I use quite a bit of products of different brands, I would not know which actually is the best product for my hair. So I will attach a photo at the end of the video where I have used the Arata products and then the products that I have used today and show you the results. So let's apply some hair gel now. Oh, it doesn't smell too much, that's good. I'm going to take some generous amount of hair gel onto my hand. I'm gonna put it all over my hair length. I will need to remove my specs to do this. Now I'm going to crunch my hair 1 second. So hair gel helps your hair to hold that curl for a few days, and then your hair doesn't get all over the place. If you have curly or wavy hair, you will know how frizzy our hair can get and how all over the place our hair can get. So this helps your hair to stay in one place. I'm again gonna squeeze my hair and scrunch my hair for another 10 minutes. So I have been crunching my hair for last 10 minutes, and this is how my hair looks right now. So you can see it's soaking wet, but it has already formed the curls, which is more like waves because I have a wavy texture. So now all I'm gonna do is get back to my work and let my hair air dry. I'm not going to use any kind of diffuser or blow dryer or anything. I'm just going to leave my hair as is, and I'm gonna see you in a couple of hours when my hair is perfectly dry. So my hair is completely dried out now. It took me a good 3 to 4 hours to do so, which I did nothing. It just got air dried. So this is how my hair looks after it is dried out. To break the gel cast, you have to squeeze out your hair again, and voila. I hope this routine helps you. I do not do anything extra special or something. I also don't have any product recommendation or anything for all of you. I'm still trying out brands for myself. If I really like a brand that I like, I will do recommend. But for now, the brands that I have used is working pretty well for me. It's not having any problem or stuff. So yeah, that's all.